In this video, I am going to show you how to keep YouTube TV playing all day without interruptions. If you're hosting an event, running a business, or just want uninterrupted playback, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, ensure your device is set to prevent the screen from turning off. On most smart TVs or streaming devices, you can adjust the sleep or power settings to disable auto shutoff. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable and fast enough to handle continuous streaming, as interruptions in connectivity can pause or stop playback. On the YouTube TV app, avoid interacting with the interface unnecessarily, as inactivity prompts or accidental button presses might stop the stream. Additionally, if you plan to stream live TV for extended periods, check that your subscription allows for unlimited viewing hours, as some services may have restrictions. For added convenience, consider using a secondary device like a tablet or computer to monitor the stream in case adjustments are needed. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to keep YouTube TV playing all day, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.